Hey y'all. Yes, it's been a while, I know, but we'll talk about that later. So, first we're going to go up to offset. The default size is 0.25 inches. We could leave it this way, or if I want a thinner outline, I'm going to decrease my size, like that. Or if I want a thicker outline, I'm just going to increase my size, like that. Okay? But for this video, we're going to go to a thinner outline. And then we're going to click apply. Alright, so now here's where you'll change your colors to whatever vinyl you're using. I'm going to change mine to red. And then I'm going to keep the back as black. Now here I could go ahead and send it to the mat, cut it out, and be done. Or, like I'm doing here, we're going to group them together and we're going to offset it again. Same size. And hit apply. Alright, now I'm going to change that color as well. Let's do white. Okay, so now we're going to change the color of the background of the canvas just for you to see it better. Alright, so now I have my 3 separate layers. Super simple. Okay, so let's go ahead and hide this and we're going to send it to the mat. Alright, now I have my 3 separate layers. We can cut it out and we're done. Easy. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and hide the name. Now we have our image. So, if I was just doing just a regular printed cut, it would cut through, like cut around these leaves. But let's say I want to do a sticker. So we're going to go ahead and do offset, same way we did the first time. Now we have that. So, I'm going to change my background to white. Because, I mean, I do white for all my stickers. Okay? So we're going to select both. So you have 2 separate ones right here. But what we're going to do is go down to flatten. Now it's just that one image. Alright, so when I send it to the mat, you can't see it here obviously since it's white, but it's going to cut around the outline. Alright, so now let's go and unflatten it. Alright, so let's change the color from white to black just to show you the difference on print and cut. We're not going to flatten it. We're going to keep the two separate and go to make it. Alright, now you see here, it will cut the outline separate and then cut between those leaves like I was talking about. That's it, y'all. Like I said, it's super simple. If y'all want to see a video of me actually doing a project with it, whether it's stickers, putting a name on a cup, or whatever, you can even do it with like cupcake toppers. So if y'all want to see a video of that, let me know down below and I'll get that done for y'all. I know I tell y'all every video I'm going to start back doing better. But I am, for real this time. Y'all just gotta give me some ideas because I don't know what y'all be wanting to see. But right here, I'm just showing y'all the different color variations of how you can do it. I mean, it's personal preference. However you like for it to look. Just showing y'all different options. But, like I said, that's it. So, let me know what y'all think in the comments below and what else y'all want to see.